Hey there, this is Chris Wicks, an artificial comedian with a YouTube channel that he wants to grow by gaining more subscribers through his website. In this video, I'll show you exactly how he should do it, so stick around. First things first, in WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then add new plugin. Search for Depicter in the search bar. There it is, install and activate it. Go to Depicter dashboard and select the pop-up category, then the click-through subcategory. Let's preview this one. It's nice, I'm importing it. Start customizing the pop-up to your liking. I'm starting with changing the texts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. The colors, I want them solid. I'm giving away a 100% discount on Depicter Pro to one lucky viewer. Use the special coupon code to claim it. But hurry, it only works for one person. Be the first to redeem the code and leave a comment below telling me you've claimed it. Otherwise, it will be removed from your account. Be quick and don't miss out. It's time to change this profile picture. With it selected, drag and drop the image you want onto it. And after it's replaced, double-click on it. This way you can control how much you want it zoomed in by sliding this pointer right here. Now select this video and change the URL. I'll change it to Chris Wicks' YouTube video. Click on the subscribe button, and in option, you can add a direct subscription link to your channel. This type of link uses a special format. If you want to create your own direct subscription link, check the steps in the description. Alright, we're done here. You can publish now. But first, let's configure the pop-up display rules. Just go to Triggers and enable the scroll percentage. 60% scroll is just fine for me. Save and publish now. Let's check out the result. And voila! There you have it. The pop-up appeared right after I scrolled to 60% of the page, and it's looking great on the website. Plus, when I click the subscribe button, it takes me directly to Chris Wicks' YouTube channel to subscribe. And that's it for today's video. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Start using Depicter and see what amazing things you can create for your website. Thanks for watching.